Hello, this is Sylvia from LS VISION. Today's topic is about the orientation of the solar panel. After our camera or battery pack is fixed, we won't move it anymore. So we need to maximize the photovoltaic conversion efficiency of the solar panel throughout the year. So how do we adjust the solar panel? Firstly, we need to determine the latitude of the installation location through Google Maps. No need to be very precise. An angle of 1 degree is acceptable, and the solar panels should face the equator. The angle of the solar panels and the horizontal is the latitude of the installation location. For example, I need to install a solar camera in Shenzhen. The latitude of Shenzhen is about 22 or 23 degrees. If we take 22 degrees here, the orientation of the solar panels should be facing south, and the horizontal angle with the ground should be 22 degrees.